another video brought to you by the one and only Simone Nicole, and that's on what?
Period.
Period. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing. My first unboxing ever on Ego. So I bought an item from Ego, y'all. Ego is a UK-based online store. And I've never ordered them from before. I never ordered from them before, and this is how the package comes. It says it's in the bag. It says it's in the bag, girl. It says Ego official, Ego UK, Ego shoes. That's what it says on the bag. So before I open this up, I just want to say and state that this might be a dupe. It might be a dupe of an item that is already out there and about. I found this item on TikTok. Shout out to TikTok and all the TikTok girls. But yeah, I'm so excited to open this up. I got some shoes to go with it. I did a separate unboxing video, so check that out if you haven't seen it already. What else do I want to say? I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna list the price of this item on the screen, and I'm gonna list the price of the item that it was inspired by, because baby, it is a difference. It is a whole price difference. Now, personally for me, I've never purchased from that brand before, so I don't really know how the quality goes, but I know from watching other videos based on the original, the authentic item, that they don't really do good when it comes to resale value. So if someone's trying to invest in a bag, hold on to it and resell it, don't go for that brand. But that's not what this video is about. They have a lot of good, great items that I've seen that I might be interested in the future, but at this moment, I think I'm, like I was saying before my camera, my SD card, before my SD card really cut off the camera because it was full of space. I was saying that I want to rock with Ego for the time being, because the girls have been saying on TikTok, this is where I need to be. This is where I need to be. Let's go ahead and open it up. Dang. Hold on, I gotta get something to open this up. I'm having a hard time. Okay, I gotta be careful because I don't want to ruin the item. Let's open this up. Let's be careful, Simone. Because I'm gonna be upset if I mess up this item. Okay. We see color. I see some color. I see some color. This right here is gonna be my summer bag for the entire summer. This is gonna be rocking. I don't care. Anywhere I go, that's not work, I'm taking this back with me. So we have the paper here. It says the address. It says this bag is pink, size 0, Texas shoulder. It's called a Texas shoulder bag, and pink faux leather, one size. We have one more layer to go. Can y'all see what it is? Can y'all see what it is? One more layer to go. Oh, it's another layer to go. We have another layer to go. Oh my goodness. Okay. Take this little duster part off. We have the bag. Oh wow, it's super cute. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about the bag? There's a mirror on here. Oh, look at her. Hey girl. Hey girl. There's a little mirror on here. Then we have a little wallet, a keychain, wallet on chain, I guess you could say, or a little card holder. There's a pocket, a main pocket right here, and then there's an outside pocket, which is nice. But let's go ahead, let's unwrap the whole entire bag. Wow, first impressions. I love the color. I love the color, and I know that a lot of people have been saying this bag is really ugly. And I agree, but I just love it. Like, it's so ugly, but it's cute too. You either love it or hate it. I've gotten a lot of different comments about purchasing this bag from my friends and my family, and yeah, it takes a special kind of person to purchase this bag, and I am not a special person. It's giving, I don't know. Tell me down below, what is it giving to you? Okay, straps. Okay, oh, look how long the strap is, y'all. Look how long it is. Yes, we like that. And then you can also adjust it. So we have adjustments for the straps right here. This part is not very padded, but the bag shouldn't get that heavy to where you would need a lot of padding right here because it's only yay big. It's only yay big, but it's big enough. It is big enough. So what is this tag on here? Please note, returns will only be if this tag remains attached to this product. That's what it says. So it has an ego on the front and then it has that on the back. I'm not returning the bag. And it's plastic on this piece and on the other side. This is cute. This is so cute. Okay, they have bubble wrap in the inside. This is so cute. Paper. And then there is so the inside is definitely not giving luxury at all, which I wasn't expecting it to, but this is how the inside looks. It's like a yellow color. There's a zipper in the inside. Zipper in the inside, and then there's a pocket on the opposite side. There's a pocket, and then you have so much space. This bag has so much space. It's definitely a good size. I really appreciate the sizing of this because it's not super big, but it's not super tiny to where I can only fit my card holder and my phone in it. I can fit other things. I can fit my camera in here if I really needed to. So I really appreciate that. Let's take, yeah, I'm not returning this. I think everything is good to go. Everything is good to go. I'm not returning this. Let's take the plastic off. This part. I know I should be using a knife. I do not have a box cutter or, you know, any other tool besides a knife to use right now. Take it off of that side. This is so cute. Like I said before, it has a long strap. It's adjustable. We have different lengths. This is not all the way at the end. This is like at the third notch. And then we have the details. Look at the details. Y'all see that? Look at the details. This pink is so pretty. It's not coming off as it should on camera. It's a little bit of a darker pink, I would say. But it's so cute. I love it. I love it so much. I love it so much. Okay, we have the mirror, which is so cute. And then we have, like I said, the card holder. I would not put my cards in here. No. I'll put my room key in here to my hotel room, because if I lose that, I can get another one easily within the next 5 minutes when I get back to the hotel. If I'm not at the hotel, if I'm in the hotel, I can get one easily and they don't have your room number on it. Okay, so wait a minute. Oh, we have an issue. There's an issue. Y'all see that? Y'all see how the zipper is open on this side and not on this side? And this is actually not a real compartment. It does not open. Let's see if I can fix this. If I zip it all the way down, what happens? Okay, so I zipped it all the way down one way, and we're gonna open back up. There we go, brand spanking new. But why is that even an option? There's nothing, you can't put anything in there. You cannot open that up. It's just for show. But yeah, I will not use this anyway. This is literally just decoration for the purse, in my opinion. But the mirror is definitely useful because I can use that while I'm out and about. Yes, come through. We love this. I love this. It's so cute. Let me put it on so y'all can see how it looks on my 5'7" thickums body. I weigh about 180 at the moment. Let's see how it looks. What is it giving? Is it giving? Is it giving? This is so cute. This is so cute to me. I love it. I love the crossbody. I love the crossbody option, definitely. Crossbody option is super cute. I think I would wear it mainly as a crossbody and as a shoulder bag. So I'm gonna shorten it and show you guys how it looks as a shoulder bag. So if we shorten it, we're gonna loop it through here. And we're gonna put it on, let's put it on number 1, 2, 3 maybe. Let's put it on 3. On 3. Put on 3 on this side, and of course 3 on the other side, so it's evenly distributed, the weight. So 1, 2, 3 to the first metal piece. This is a very easy bag to style too because the color, so it looks really nice to me. It looks really nice how this just dangles. It goes with the bag shape, it naturally dangles, and it goes with the style of the bag. It's so cute. So let's see how it looks on my shoulder. Yes, we like that. We like that. We like that. Yes. Yeah, I would definitely use this as a shoulder bag, but I can already tell how this is gonna be falling off of my arm. It's gonna be falling off of my shoulder because like there's no weight to the bag right now, so it's giving I'm wearing a cloud. But yeah, this is cute, and it's not even on the shortest length, so I can make it even shorter if I wanted to. I could put it up to here if I wanted to have a really good snug armpit length bag, but I have it basically to my under boob area. Yeah, the bottom of my boob is where the bag starts, and I think this is so cute. What do y'all think? But yeah, I found this item on TikTok. I don't know if I stated that already. And what drew me to it was just the style. At first I thought it was kind of ugly, but then I don't know, I kept seeing it and I was like, wow, this could really make an outfit pop. And I love how there's boots to match it on the site, and also on the actual Balenciaga site they have the same bag and the purse. The price difference is extreme. It's an extreme difference. But I love that I can actually try this on, see if I would like to buy the authentic version if I want to ever in the future. But I like the fact that I can wear this out and see if I like the style or not, if I can really match it with things that I have. But I feel like pink is really a good safe color for any girl to wear with anything they have. And the site has so many other colors. I'll also post those on the screen for you guys to see. But I think this is so cute, and I'll definitely be wearing it just like this. It's just giving. It's so cute. It's so cute. I love it. It's so cute. As of right now, I don't have any pros or cons to it. I just going off a first impression. I love the color. I love how adjustable it is. I love how I can wear crossbody on my shoulder. I love the metal. I'm not even a silver girl, but I love how the metal looks with the pink. I don't see any issues with the bag really. I see there's a little bit of thread right here sticking out, but it's not like a huge issue. And y'all saw how the zipper was being wonky, but it fixed itself. Yeah, there's no back pocket on this one. It feels very squishy, you know. It feels just like how it looks. It's giving what it's supposed to give it. But yeah, that is it for my video. Oh, if you guys are interested in my nails, I got them made by the one and only. I got them made by the one and only, nails by Kita G. Follow her on Instagram. I'll go ahead and post her information, her information right here, and her Instagram page right there, so you guys can check her out. And that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Yeah, and I'll possibly do a what fits in the bag. If you'd like to see that, make sure you let me know down below. Bye.